A nice method to earn at least $30 a day using a new brand website. And now let me show you this method step by step. Step number one, just head over Google and type here Dr. Cash and jump to the first result. Then you would be taken to the website Dr. Cash. It's one of the fast growing websites in the affiliate and CPA field. Here you can find a lot of products in the healthy and the medical niche. So in other words, here you can find a lot of offers and products to treat some diseases like diabetes, obesity, arthritis, and so on and so forth. And the best part here in Dr. Cash, here you can find decent commissions in addition to various payout methods including PayPal and Pioneer. Furthermore, here you can find a lot of offers for every single country in the world. So now we can start our journey in this amazing website by going to this button, Join Us. Click over it. And here insert your credentials, email, password, username, and your messenger. Following that, it sends you a verification code to your email. Then insert here. It would be like that. Current level in affiliate marketing, your experience, beginner, specialist, and so on. So we can select this one, beginner. Revenue, we can take this one, pays vertical or your niche, neutral diet, sweepstakes, finance, so we can select this one, diet. Key traffic sources, so we are gonna select this one, SEO. Key geography, USA and tier 1. Okay, and enter dashboard. Simply and quickly. And here we are on the dashboard of your account on Dr. Cash. And here's the first glance in this dashboard. Here you can find your statistics and your performance stats, as you see, like clicks, leads, and approved sales, and much more, as you see. So quickly to this one, offers, to explore these offers in this amazing website. Here you can find a lot of offers and products, as I said before, for some diseases like for joint arthritis, for fungus, hypertension, enhancement for males, diabetes, anti-aging, and so on and so forth. And the best part here you can sort and filter these products according to this category or diseases, as you see, perfect or country. So you can find a lot of offers for every single country in the world, or by their models. Either they are CPL or cost per lead, trial and upsell, or straight sales, trial, or cash on delivery. So you can find a lot of offers and products as you want with their prices and your payout or your commission, in other words, as you see. We are gonna pick one of these beautiful products. So we can go first to category and select one of them, like some products to treat diabetes, for example. So diabetes, as you see. And we can go again to country to select our target country. So for example, I'm going to select less competitive country rather than USA. So we can select Spain, for example, as you see. Perfect. And here you find a set of 3 products to treat diabetes in this amazing website. So I'm gonna select this one, Insulinorm, to treat diabetes. Its model cash on delivery, and its a price, as you see, and your payout would be $33. Perfect. So now how we can get this affiliate link to promote this product? Just you can click over this plus icon. Then first click over this button, create a campaign, and here we're gonna select one of these landing pages to promote this product. So if we selected this landing page, for example, if any visitor clicks over this link, it would be taken to this landing page or this article that explains how this product works and how it solves this problem, and so on and so forth, as you see. Or this landing page, for example, quickly. Okay, as you observe. So quickly we can select one of them, like this one, for example. Okay, check it and create your campaign. And boom, here you find your affiliate link to promote your product or this offer using this attractive landing page. So the first step here, just you can select your product you want to promote. And the next step, we are going to make a landing page, or in other words, a middle ground between visitors and your affiliate landing page. So how is that? Just we can head over Google and type something like Google site. It's a free landing page to promote anything you want. So click over this Google sites, select blank, and here you can craft your landing page as you like. So quickly we can upload an image that matches your product you want to promote. So we can head over one of these free websites such as Pixabay Pixels. Here you can find huge amounts of these free images for commercial use. So we can type something like diabetes, then you would find a plethora of these beautiful images for diabetes. So we can take one of them randomly, like this one for example. Okay, click over it and download it, and go back to our Google site landing page, upload, perfect. And we don't need this title, deleted. Then we are gonna put here a call to action or a button to promote this product. Button, then insert this information like this link of your affiliate product. So we can go back to our Dr. Cash to take this link and go again to your landing page, insert here. And now we need to add a call to action to motivate customer or this visitor to take the action to click over this button. So we can go together to an amazing website that's so called niches.com. It's one of the best copywriting assistants out there that contains huge amounts of AI templates for plugin, YouTube, and social media marketing campaigns. So we can search for an astonishing template that's so called Executor. Okay, this one. Give it name, create project. And here we can insert some seed information like background information, like affiliate marketing, command like give me 3 calls to action to promote a product for diabetes. Okay, get content. And just a snap here, you can find 3 creative calls to action to promote your product as you see quickly. Like this one, say goodbye to high blood sugar levels, try our product now. So we can get this one for example quickly. And don't forget that this product for Spanish people in Spain. So we gotta translate this call to action to Spanish. So we can go together to Google Translate to translate this call to action as you see to Spanish. So you can copy this new version and go back to our landing page to Google site and insert here your call to action. Just insert, perfect, and now we can make it wider as you see, perfect. So now our landing page ready to promote this product. So we can click over this button, publish. Okay, give it name and the name of this product, publish. That's it. View your landing page and your website as you see. Perfect. So now how we can promote this landing page to promote this splendid product? Simply we can go together to canva.com where we can create attractive posts to promote this product. So we can type here something like diabetes. Okay. Therefore here you can find a bunch of ready to use templates and done for you attractive templates to promote these such products as you see. So we are gonna select one of these beautiful templates to promote our product, like this one for example, quickly. Okay, click over it, customize this one. Then we need to add a slogan to promote your product. So we can go back to our tool niches.com and this one, command executor, and replace calls to action to slogans and get content, holla as you see. So we can get this one, live your life without limits with our diabetes friendly product. Okay, and copy and go back to canva.com, and then the next step, just we can go to resize feature on Canva to resize this post to a new version or to a new size according to your platform you want to promote this post. So for example, we can go to resize and we want to resize this post to a Pinterest pin with these dimensions. as you see, and copy and resize to create a new page of these new dimensions. Therefore, now we gonna translate this post into Spanish. So how we can do that on canva.com? So we can go to the left panel here and head over this translate feature. Translate from English, of course, translate it to, so we can select your target language like Spanish in our case. Okay, as you see, and translate it. Perfect. As you see, an elegant Pinterest pin to promote your product. And for sure, you can customize your post as you like by adding some elements, graphics, colors as you want. For instance, here you can go to elements and look for something, click here, or something for a call to action, like click here, for example. And when you're done, download your Pinterest pin. Download. Select your page, just one in Spanish. Downloaded. And now we can head over pinterest.com to promote and pin this image. So we can go together to create your pin. Upload your Pinterest pin image, this one. And as for adding your destination link, for sure we can get the link of your landing page in Google site that we have made. This one, copy and go back to our Pinterest. And as for title and Pinterest description, we can go back to our tool today, that is niches.com command executor. We can replace slogans to Pinterest pin title and Pinterest pin description and so forth. So for example, we can replace this one with Pinterest pin description to promote a product for diabetes, and click over this button, get content, as you see. So we can take the third one quickly and copy, go back to Pinterest to insert here, and as such for title. And now you can publish your Pinterest pin, and you can repeat this process many times to promote different products for target people for different languages like Spanish, Portuguese, Dutch, German, and so on and so forth, to reach many people to promote these offers and these products from Dr. Cash. Thus, thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.